Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Let's begin. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center. Tap on the power icon in the top right corner. You'll now see four options appear: emergency call, power off, restart, and emergency mode. Tap on power off once. The button will get larger, asking you to confirm shutdown. But here's the important part. Press and hold the power off button instead of tapping it again. After a few seconds, a new option called safe mode will appear. Tap on safe mode, confirm your choice, and your phone will restart automatically. Once the phone turns back on, you'll see safe mode written at the bottom of the screen. That means it's now active. In safe mode, only system apps are allowed to run. All downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled. This is very helpful if you're troubleshooting problems caused by third-party apps. To turn off safe mode, simply restart your phone again. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips.